All right, part 2, moon theory. Now, you've listened to part 1, so what makes part 1 be able to be a reality? What do we know about the moon to make that could be a probability? Have we got that? Right? Now, when it comes to the moon, it has ship defense kind of things, right? Has the dark side, doesn't rotate, so it can keep itself secret in one area, which is a pretty cool thing. If it needs to tap in easily, it just needs to creep forward and creep back. It can do big problems to the planet. If you try to go to the moon, you'll notice it has moon dust. Right? Now, moon dust is very unique to our universe. Right? You'll find that there's not really any moon dust around. We don't often find moon dust, which is very fine shards when they zoom it right in, and it gets into everything. It's very hard to cruise around on the moon. It's like a defense system. And how did it get its moon dust? Well, apparently, right, it has this hard shell, right? So hard that if things hit it, you don't see mountains and big chunks. Things seem to hit it hard, which is pretty odd because sometimes things might come in slow, but it doesn't with the moon because out in space, it doesn't have an atmosphere, and so it comes in hard, doesn't it? There's never really a slow object, so you can probably put it in that area. And so it knows things are going to hit it hard, and it breaks up all this dust and disintegrates it, and it becomes like a little outer crust shield as well, and a defense system, right? The things that want to crawl around and have a look around. It's not as easy as everywhere else. And another odd thing is that the craters only go so deep, right? Like it's got this impenetrable barrier, hey? And that'll be something strong. More likely a ship would have that. Asteroids and planets and all those things don't have that strange look where you've got these smooth dips everywhere, right? It helps you also collect materials if you need to when it comes to the moon, which is an upper. Another thing that can relate to it could be a sphere or something. They ram something in it very hard and it bells for ages, bong, like it's very hollow. So if they got the theory about the moon was created by the Earth crap and its own crap, then how could it have all that? It makes no sense to be built so tough in that way, doesn't it? Anyway, see you later.